Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Genmoji and the Animal Crossing export plugin are updated. Next, open your source art. PNG, 512 x 512, transparent background. This preserves edges. Once done, enable developer or export mode in Genmoji so you can access shadow layers and advanced export options. Now create a duplicate layer labeled Base. This isolates the original. Then set up a working canvas at 1024 x 1024 to retain detail during edits. This gets you ready to craft accurate AC shadow maps. You now generate the shadow mask by duplicating the base and converting it to grayscale. This isolates luminance for shadows. Then paint on that duplicate with a soft brush at 30 to 50% opacity, focusing on undercuts and overlap. This is where perceived depth forms. Once you have rough shading, apply Gaussian blur between 2 and 6 pixels to soften transitions. This prevents banding in-game. Make sure to toggle the original layer on and off as you refine, so you can compare and preserve highlights. You finish by exporting the shadow as a PNG at 512 x 512 using sRGB. This matches Animal Crossing color handling. Then import it into the AC tool, align the shadow to the pattern grid, and preview on the model. Rotate and check all angles. If you see hard edges or banding, reduce export compression, reapply a light blur, or lower shadow opacity slightly to blend better. Finally, save a backup of both the base and shadow files. This lets you iterate without losing earlier versions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.